Welcome back to our top 5 countdown of the most essential household appliances. From cooking to cleaning, these appliances have revolutionized the way we live our lives at home. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Microwave. At number 5, we have the microwave oven. A microwave oven is an incredibly versatile appliance that has changed the way we prepare food. It allows us to quickly heat up leftovers, cook frozen foods, and even prepare a full meal from scratch. With its convenience and ease of use, the microwave has become an essential appliance in every household. Number 4. Washing machine. At number 4, we have the washing machine. Doing laundry used to be a time-consuming and exhausting task, but with the invention of the washing machine, it has become much easier and more efficient. No longer do we need to spend hours hand-washing clothes or take them to a laundromat. The washing machine has made this chore a breeze. Number 3. Dishwasher. At number 3, we have the dishwasher. Similar to the washing machine, the dishwasher has changed the way we clean our dishes. It not only saves us time and effort, but it also uses less water than washing dishes by hand. With the ability to clean and sanitize dishes, the dishwasher has become a must-have appliance in every kitchen. Number 2. Refrigerator. At number 2, we have the refrigerator. The refrigerator has been a game changer when it comes to food preservation. With the ability to keep our food fresh for longer periods of time, we no longer have to worry about spoiled food. It also allows us to buy and store more food at once, making trips to the grocery store less frequent. Number 1. Stove. And finally, at number 1, we have the stove. The stove is the most important appliance in any kitchen, as it allows us to cook food. Whether it's boiling water, frying eggs, or baking a cake, the stove is an essential tool in the kitchen. It has evolved over the years, with advancements such as electric and gas stovetops, but its importance has never diminished. And there you have it, our top 5 essential household appliances. From the microwave to the stove, these appliances have made our lives easier and more convenient. Check out the description below for links that'll help you pick the perfect new household appliance, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great ideas and links to bargains. Every video has links tailored to the topics in the videos with fantastic deals to be had. Thanks for watching.